Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we're going to be making the Bahama Beach Bowl from somewhere on Facebook that I don't have anything to go back to, because unfortunately I got drunk last week and I was like, oh, that looks good, save photo. Did not save anything else, just save the photo. So it could be from the Bahamas, some bar made it, I have no idea. It could be just something just stupid. However, I don't have a beach bowl. As you can see, there is no beach bowl here. I'm assuming it's about 24 ounces, give or take, but I ended up changing this recipe up with just a hair bit. A little bit more than a hair bit, but that's besides the point. So we're going to build it in a 32-ounce beer stein with a bunch of fucking ice, like so, with a little extra water, because there's a lot going into this. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get down to making it. Now, I will tell you the original recipe real quick what it is. What you needed was coconut rum, orange juice, and peach juice. Where the fuck am I going to find peach juice? I can't find it at the fucking store. I would have to buy peaches, juice them myself, which probably wouldn't be that hard. I'm just too lazy to do it. So, we're going to change up this recipe just slightly and add some other things. So let's get down to what I have here. Orange juice, coconut rum. So 90 proof coconut rum. You can use Malibu if you want to. I know it has a lot more sugar in it. It's kind of up to you. I chose suntan lotion basically. So we're doing that. Now to change up the peach juice, I'm going to use Crown Peach and peach schnapps. Okay? However, we're going with my root because fuck it, my root. Let's go ahead and get down to making it. What you're going to need is 4 ounces of your coconut rum. 2 ounces of your peach whiskey. Of your choice, it doesn't have to be Crown, it's just what I have, so just a heads up. And then 2 ounces of your peach schnapps of your choice. Boston's pretty good, I like Boston. But you can definitely use De Cooper or what was the other one? There's another peach schnapps and I can't think of what it is. Oh well, it is what it is. Alright, now we're going to put in, give or take, about 20 ounces of your orange juice. Did I say 20 ounces? I mean less than that, because that was 11. My math is very off then. We're gonna fill this up just a hair. I think I just put in too much ice, probably. But ice is good, because why not? We'll just top it up with orange juice then. So that was probably about 13 ounces, give or take. Give or take. And then we're gonna stir this up. Alright, let's see if my math was actually correct on this one. Let's go ahead and try it. Peachy, orange juicy, and coconut ichi. I guess, I don't know. Peachy, orange juicy, coconut ichi, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. This is actually a fantastic fucking recipe. It came out pretty good. All the flavors are present. There is no real burn to it because we mostly masked that with a bunch of shitload of orange juice. But honestly, an excellent recipe. Yeah, that's good. I think the peach kind of outweighs the coconut a little bit more, so you don't get that, at least Parrot Bay suntan lotion flavor. But it is an actual excellent recipe. I think it came out pretty good. Would highly, highly recommend this one. It might not be true to the Bahama Beach Bowl, but it's something. It's a beach, and that's all I'm going to say. And it's not a bowl, a beach stein. Bahama beach stein. I don't know. But very good drink. If you guys would like to try it, go ahead and try it. And yes, you can downsize this to a 16 ounce. I was just trying to match it to be a beach bowl. Just use 2 ounces of coconut rum, 1 ounce of peach schnapps, and 1 ounce of peach whiskey to about 9 to 10 ounces of orange juice. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.